Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. As you know that I breathe technology, and today I am here at this grand store. Vijay Sales is our go-to store for more than 50 years, and today I am going to take you on a grand tour of this grand store. So let's check it out. Wow, this place is huge guys. I really feel like a kid inside a candy store. Okay, let's start with the smartphones. Okay, we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 over here with this AMOLED goodness. So this is the best Samsung has to offer right now guys. Let's check out some more smartphones. Are you guys an Android person? Because I surely am. We have so many phones here. So guys, we have the Budget King over here. This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro, and this is the best money can buy in this price range. So where is the beast that I'm looking for? Here it is, the one and only OnePlus 7 Pro. I didn't know that it is available offline stores, but I am so glad to know that it is available in this Vijay Sales stores. So you can do visit here before you can purchase this. Any Apple fans here? We have plethora of Apple smartphones over here. We have iPhone XR, XS and XS Max. We have smartphones from OnePlus, from Xiaomi, from Samsung, as well as from Apple. So I am literally surrounded by the smartphone brands. So I am done with the smartphones guys. Let's take a look at the laptop. Okay, so let's see what they've got here. Well, I have spotted some Microsoft products over here. So they have got this Microsoft Surface Book Pro, which looks pretty fantastic. So if you're a business guy, you can consider this laptop. Here we have the MacBook Air over here in this thin and light body with some pretty powerful specs. But as you guys know that not everybody requires such a high-end specs. So for that, I would like to show you some budget-friendly options. These are budget-friendly laptops, not cheap at all. I mean, they can fulfill your basic Word document or documentation requirement. Now I'm thinking to gift myself something. So let's go shopping. So I'm looking for the Big Daddy, the Bose. Where is it? Oh yeah, I remember. They have a dedicated section for Bose. So this is the product which I'm looking for. Guys, this is Bose Soundbar 500 and I have heard some great reviews about it. This is just a sublime experience guys. I am definitely going to buy this. So you are coming home with me buddy. Whew, that was quite an experience guys. I'm heading home and I'm going to blast some metal on this soundbar. And you guys do visit this store and please make sure to bring along someone because this place is huge. You might get lost in here. So this is me, Zahir, signing off. Bye bye.